basically on a dirt bike path or a walking path. So it's a bit bumpy, but it's really very pretty. I've also got some really nice shade. It's about 80 degrees today. I'll stop for a minute. We have some happy tourists going by. A lovely tour boat and a really nice bicycle path down there. Another one of the many, many bridges. Some interesting statuary. I think that's Musée d'Orsay up ahead. Not sure. Here's the big wheel in the distance. It's getting very interesting. I wasn't scheduled to go over this bridge, but it's so beautiful that I've got to do it. Here's the Seine. Whoa, look at this. Awesome. Not bad. I think I'll go up to the Lion.